Hi guys, welcome back to my channel on Discover Flower. And today you're getting the girly girl version of me with all the makeup and stuff. With my glasses, my nerdy ass glasses that I need because my eyes are affected by light. But so I'll be doing a reading vlog yet again, because I enjoy doing this crazy ass reading vlogs. It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. Why am I doing this? Because I'm bored, basically. I'm bored. And I want some motivation to read. Like, what? So let us read the synopsis in the back. Sometimes the one who loves you is the one who hurts you the most. Next voice. Lily hasn't always had it easy, but that's never stopped her from working hard for the life she wants. She's come a long way from the small town in Maine where she grew up. She graduated from college, moved to Boston, started her own business. So when she feels a spark with a gorgeous neurosurgeon named Ryle Kincaid, everything in Lily's life suddenly seems almost too good to be true. Girl, trust that instinct. Where have we reached? Ryle is assertive, stubborn, maybe even a little arrogant. No, we don't like arrogant. Is also sensitive, brilliant, and has a total soft spot for Lily. But Ryle's complete aversion to relationships is disturbing. We don't want Ryle. Move on. Lily, move on. I'm telling you, I can sense it. I read Blink by Malcolm Gladwell, and when you sense something in your guts, you should trust it for the first time. You don't need more. As questions about her new relationship overwhelm her, so do thoughts about Atlas Corrigan, her first love, and a link to the past she left behind. He was her kindred spirit, her protector. When Atlas suddenly reappears, everything Lily has built with Ryle is threatened. Okay, Atlas, I see you. You got those kind of feeling that makes the girl heart beats and stuff, okay? With this bold and deeply personal novel, Colleen Hoover delivers a heart-wrenching story that breaks exciting new ground for her as a writer. It Ends With Us is an unforgettable tale of love that comes at the ultimate price. Colleen, I see you. Okay. So let us read what other people say. It Ends With Us is a brave and heartbreaking novel that digs its claws into you and doesn't let go. No one delivers an emotional read like Colleen Hoover. Trust me, I know, said Anna Todd, New York Times bestselling author of the After series. Okay. You'll be smiling through your tears, said Sarah Pekkanen, international bestselling author of Perfect Neighbors. A must-read, packed with riveting drama and painful truth. Said starred review. I'm just joking, I know how to read. Okay. So let's go. This book is about 300 and something pages, so let's see how far we can make it tonight. have no like dedication. Let me see. Okay. For my father, who tried his very best not to be his worst, and for my mother, who made sure we never saw him at his worst. Oh, that's so beautiful. This book is a work of fiction. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna read that. Look, behave. I'm like the librarian if I was go like this. Watching you over the glasses, like, why? You have no glasses for purpose. Okay. I should put my tripod, but I'm too lazy to attach it. So, and my light is shining into my glasses.
Some people actually regret doing suicide. Like, the question was like, do people that commit suicide regret it? Not like when they're dead, if they regret it, but like the moments when, okay, they jump off the ledge and like they're like, oh my god, why did I do this? Like, why? There's no going back. Do I regret it? Or like if you drink something and like you're dying and like they're like, okay, I regret doing this. Some people actually do regret it because I remember like a time this boy drank something and then while he was on the hospital bed, it was like, oh, I regret this and I'm sorry and stuff. And they couldn't do nothing to help him again because they had already passed through the system and everything. So like he actually regretted it. Maybe not everybody might drink. Just like in everything, some people might not have remorse or regret for certain things, and then some people might have regret or remorse for certain things. It's just like that. Why would like being with a homeless person bring shame to a family? Well, I mean, I understand from kind of, but like, I guess I can expect what I might like for other people to like. But like, I don't see nothing wrong with being homeless. Like, you're just in a bad spot. That's interesting. Like, I don't even know why, but it's currently late. Maybe around 2 minutes to 3, or maybe it has reached 3 already. Oh my eyes. And I'm currently on chapter 7 of It Ends With Us. I'm really enjoying it. Oh. Guys, I have so much thoughts, but like I don't feel I don't know if I should make this video like a spoiler review or like, I don't know. But I'm not so into Raya. I'm not so into him. Like, something about him, like, I know it's like the love interest is like kind of weird, messed up in the beginning, but like I like Atlas more, and like it's just like I haven't even met Atlas to present the Atlas only like past Atlas, but like something about like a homeless guy, still having ambition to go to school and do something, it kind of gives me like, okay, I like his vibes, I like this. But Riley's just like arrogant and like, no, not for me. But anyways, see you guys. And I decided to check up on you, okay? Bye. Oh my gosh. I've reached the part where she finally meets Atlas again, and like I don't want to continue. Like I don't want to continue because for a good reason. Like I'm so scared. I feel like it's me. Oh my god. I feel like it's me that's meeting him. Like I just feel like it's me that's meeting him. Oh my gosh. Today is like the day before the Kindle Unlimited readathon. I have to finish, like, read this book today, or like I won't be able to finish it for the weekend because I have Kindle Unlimited readathon to do, and like, but like, oh my gosh. I'm like reading this book so slow, but like last night I read a good bit of it because like I was like, you know what, it's gonna be the Kindle Unlimited readathon, so I need to finish with this. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Like part of me is scared that part of me is scared that Atlas is the one that does it wrong. There's always like you always find somebody to do something wrong, so that's a given. Like it's gonna be a conflict everywhere, anywhere. So check back with you guys after whenever. Page 207. I've read like a lot since I lost. It's only been like an hour or two, like 2 hours, and I've read so much. Let us just take the time out to admire Atlas. I'm not even Lily, and he makes my heart skip a beat. Like, okay. Now, Ryan, I told you I didn't like him, and I just don't like him. This one part had me choking. when Ryan was like, oh, that was a pity fuck. And then she's now apologizing for that, and she was like, I never said that. And he was like, I was there, so I knew it wasn't a pity fuck. And I was like, that's all. Bye. Hi. Why did I say hi? But anyways, I'm like 200, close to 300 pages into the book. I have to finish tonight because at 12 I have to start the Kindle Unlimited readathon. So far, like, I don't even know. I can't cannot even be like judgmental to her for like doing like the same thing that her mother did. But at the same time, I understand, like I fully understand, and it had me thinking, like, like, is it any different to when someone we love hurts us like emotionally and keep like lying to us and making excuses, and we keep forgiving? If are we even better to be in a place to judge someone like that? Like at the end of the day, it's like almost runs up to the same emotional hurt, because our souls are like, our hearts and souls and mind are like prone to. Hi, so my last update. I finished reading It Ends With Us on around 3 something a.m. And then I didn't film anything because I was really sleepy and I went to bed. So I was supposed to start like Kindle Unlimited Read at like 12, but then I wanted to finish the book, so I finished the book, and I absolutely loved it. I didn't shed no tears for the abuse and stuff like that, because like I'm not really anything like when it comes to something like emotional or that, like I put up my walls pretty high, so like I didn't even like not want it. My eyes didn't make up to cry, nothing like that. But like I just want to say that I feel really proud when people get past a certain situation, and when people like when people are strong, become strong, and even though like you was not that strong before, and then you go into a situation and you come out like the winner and you become like stronger. Like I think certain situations in life, we go through certain things just to become stronger individuals, and I really enjoy that aspect in individuals. Like she could have stayed there, and like even if she had stayed at the end, she would have still been a strong individual, because to be taking all of those stuff, sometimes the hardest thing to do is leave, because it requires a lot of strength and courage, and a lot of us sometimes don't think that we have that much strength to leave or something. But we have to remember that we were born to be strong. We are born strong individuals, and we are born to survive. That's why we humans are the dominant species, and that is why, well, we are still alive today, because we are born to survive in different circumstances, and that's just who we are. And I just want to say that if you feel like you don't have the strength to go through certain things, rethink your decision. Like, sit down and think about how far that you have come and how far you will go, and just remember that you are strong, and that even though you think that no one's there to support you or no one is on your side, there are people there by your side that wants to see you succeed and wants to see you come out stronger every day. And like, there's such an important message behind this book, that there is not, I can't even critique anything bad about it, I mean, it's not my cup of tea when it comes to abuse. That's kind of a touchy subject for me, so that's why like I put up like such high walls for this book, because like I didn't want to cry or anything, but I love that what happened in the end was all around good, and now like my hands are hurting from holding this so high. But yeah, that's all. I give this book 5 stars. So yeah. What else? So that's all for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see again very soon.